Fire escape services, inspection summary. What we have here is a fire escape that failed, has life safety issues, falling treads. Hammer testing these treads, they all fell. So it's an unsafe condition right now. I estimate that 75% of these treads are going to fall. Some of the treads above on this one's going to fall, so I was not able to complete the inspection due to the fact that it's an unsafe condition. But I have enough information down here to make a summary of the following. Fire escape has not seen a paint job in the past 15 to 25 years. Every connection on this fire escape, because of the amount of rust that is here, there's very little paint left. Probably 75+% rust, 25% left of paint, but again, it's just spotty paint here and there that you can see. So that means every connection on this fire escape has been invaded, from the simple rail connections to all the tread connections. And there, some of this rust, in order for it to grow this much, needs 20 years plus of unchecked maintenance in order for it to get. And for treads to start falling all by themselves like they do there, that's what happens when you have an unchecked fire escape. So, no rust on, there's no paint on any of the rails, so this fire escape in every joint now has been invaded. Every joint is compromised, so we need to have a full refurbishment of all the joints. 100% replacement of all the tread connections. The square bolts is the first indication that this fire escape has not been refurbished in its lifetime. This building being 75+ years old, these bolts minimally should have been changed in its lifetime once to hex heads. So all the connections being rusty, all the connections are now compromised, and the entire fire escape needs to be refurbished. This ladder system here, this cable needs to be replaced. The cable has not been maintained, and as you can see, there's a possibility that if it drops this weight is controlled, it'll nail, but then the weight is secured only by square bolts. So the ladder needs to have a release arm so that when you release the ladder, it drops 2 to 3 feet per second. All the treads, again, they need the bolting. The clips at the top of each stringer needs to be rebolted. And against the wall, we've got spalling cement, as the photographs from the report will show. So you've got 50 to 75% cement work on this, 100% paint job, 100% work on treads. Structural, all the bolts on the supports are original square heads and riveted. There's not even a nut on the back side, it's riveted. So again, all these need to be reinforced to make sure that they're in good condition. So currently this fire escape did not pass inspection, and it does have life safety issues as we speak, and it'll be tagged accordingly. This also is older than 1978, so if the owner does not have a lead documentation on this fire escape is considered to have lead. So EPA renovator license is required to work on this fire escape, as well as EPA standards to maintain and collect all the debris that's going to fall off this fire escape, because it is presumed to have lead. Any questions, please give us a call at Fire Escape Services, 800-649-3333, 800-649-3333.